text at 3 a.m. saying you can't sleep again. I'm wide awake. Well, I know that's just a lie. You're probably out your mind with all your mates. So I try to close my eyes, but I'm blinded by the lights. You keep calling. So I answer and I say, mate, what you want is proper late. Can't it wait until the morning? Say I'm sorry if I woke you up. I've been overthinking lately, and maybe you can save me from myself. Tonight I need help. Tonight no one understands me. All my friends and family say I'll be alright. Boys don't cry, but I've been crying lately. Maybe you can save me from myself tonight. When you're flat at 3:30, drinking cups of tea on the kitchen floor. Never had to explain the way you feel before. 'Cause you can't afford the therapy. You're scared that this is gonna be forever. But you are not alone, mate. Things can change. I'm the proof that it gets better. That you owe me a mate who could save you from yourself again. You need help, my friend.